Hey guys, Art Edmonds here for Lazydays, the RV Authority, and I'm so excited to show you this 2022 Grand Design Solitude 310GK-R. It is weighing in at 15,000 pounds fully maxed out with a dry weight of just over 12,000 pounds. Now, it's prepped and ready for a generator, so you know that comes in handy. And it's a 4 seasons fifth wheeler because it's got a heated underbelly to protect against the ice and the snow. And we're talking about climatizing, we're talking about a heated and cooled pass-through cargo container for all of your stuff. Really, really useful. We have not one, but 2 retractable power awnings. And look at the slide out with the slide topper. Keeps debris from settling on top of the slide out when it's extended. It's so beautiful on the outside, I want to show you the inside. Wow. Are you ready for this? So many great features and finishes, but first, do you feel how comfortable and cool it is in here? You will, because it has 3 air conditioners with 3 different zones of climate control. Perfect. Take a look at this island. Beautiful solid surface countertop with a modern feature on the faucet and plenty of storage in the pantry. Are you excited about this? Residential size refrigerator, French door at that. And let's talk about cooking. Stainless steel professional chef's quality range and full-size microwave with 4 gas burners. Can make a lot of great meals here and plenty of storage in the kitchen as well. Beautiful big TV that retracts when you want to put it away and a fireplace. The sofa is a tri-fold sofa that pulls out into a bed when you need to accommodate extra guests and a motorized dual recliner to kick back and watch TV. Dining for 4, and notice all the light and bright colors. It really feels comfortable and welcoming here. The best is yet to come. Come on. Take a look at this masterpiece of a shower. Glass doors, black modern hardware and fixtures, 4 spray shower head, a seat, and a skylight in the shower. Pretty awesome. Now let's take a look at the bedroom. Queen size bed with a pull-out ottoman, lots of storage, and a closet that's prepped for a stackable washer and dryer. Everything you could possibly want with plenty of room to spare. Wow, well there you have it guys. The 2022 Grand Design Solitude 310GK-R. Amazing, fully loaded, residential fridge, a kitchen island, a fantastic shower with a seat, 3 air conditioners, 2 awnings. Everything you could possibly want in a fifth wheel, and it's waiting for you right here at the RV Authority Lazydays.